Imagine adding powerful SMS capabilities to your Laravel application effortlessly. First, you'll need to set up your Twilio account. Head over to their website to sign up and obtain your unique account SID and auth token, then acquire a Twilio phone number, which will be the sender for your messages. Next, within your existing Laravel project, integrate the official Twilio PHP SDK by adding it as a dependency using your package manager, which will simplify all future interactions with the Twilio API. Securely configure your Twilio credentials by adding your account SID, auth token, and the Twilio phone number to your project's environment file, ensuring these sensitive details are kept out of your codebase. Now, create a dedicated service class or method within your Laravel application responsible for sending messages. Here, you'll instantiate the Twilio client using your environment variables and then call its messaging function, specifying the recipient, your Twilio sender number, and the message content. Finally, test your newly implemented SMS functionality by triggering the message sending logic from a designated route or controller. Then verify that the message arrives on the recipient's phone and check your Twilio console for delivery logs or any potential errors. With Twilio SMS integrated into your Laravel app, you're now equipped to build robust messaging features. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more Laravel tutorials.